Think you need to spend hundreds of dollars to get a good drone? Think again. Some of the best drones under $100 now offer GPS, stabilized cameras, brushless motors, and intelligent flight features that were once reserved for premium models. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones under $100 in 2026 to help you get the best value for your money. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal which product is my overall top recommendation. To create this list, I compared each drone based on flight stability, camera quality, ease of use, smart flight features, portability, battery performance, overall value, and customer satisfaction. Now, let's begin the countdown. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Lenovo XT606 GPS Drone. Starting off our list is the Lenovo XT606 GPS Drone, an entry-level drone that's packed with features and ideal for beginners and casual pilots. One of its biggest strengths is its GPS-assisted flight system, which helps the drone maintain a stable hover and makes flying much less intimidating for new users. It also includes obstacle avoidance and a dual camera setup, giving you more flexibility when capturing aerial photos and videos. The foldable design makes it easy to slip into a backpack, so it's always ready for vacations, hiking trips, or weekend adventures. Pros: affordable price, GPS-assisted flight, foldable and travel-friendly, beginner-friendly controls. If you're buying your first drone and want useful features without spending a fortune, the XT606 is a great place to start. But if you want smoother flight performance with more advanced positioning technology, the next drone is worth a closer look. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE. Coming in at number 4 is the Potensic Atom SE, one of the most trusted lightweight drones in the budget category. Weighing under 249 grams, it's incredibly portable while still offering reliable GPS navigation, automatic return to home, waypoint flight, and follow me mode. Those intelligent flight features make it easier to capture impressive footage while giving new pilots added confidence. Its stabilized camera also delivers noticeably smoother videos than many drones in the same price range. Pros: lightweight and portable, reliable GPS performance, smart flight modes, easy to fly for beginners. If you're looking for a dependable travel drone that's simple to operate and capable of producing smooth aerial footage, the Atom SE is an excellent choice. Now, let's move to a drone that's designed for users who want even better video quality. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. Taking the middle spot is the Potensic Atom 2, a drone that brings premium-level features into a much more affordable package. Its biggest advantage is the 3-axis gimbal, which keeps video footage smooth even when flying in light wind. Combined with AI-powered tracking and vertical shooting modes, it becomes an excellent option for travel videos, outdoor adventures, and social media content. The lightweight design also makes transportation easy, while its long transmission range gives you more freedom to explore. Pros: excellent stabilized camera, smooth cinematic video, AI-assisted flight features, compact and lightweight. If capturing high-quality aerial footage is your priority, the Atom 2 is one of the strongest options in this category. And now, let's move to a drone that's designed for users who want even better obstacle avoidance. Number 2. Lenovo Z908 Pro Max. Taking the runner-up position is the Lenovo Z908 Pro/Max drone, a drone that delivers an impressive collection of advanced features for the price. It combines brushless motors, optical flow positioning, and multi-directional obstacle avoidance to create a more stable and enjoyable flying experience. Whether you're filming landscapes, parks, or family vacations, those features help reduce common beginner mistakes while improving overall control. Its foldable design also makes it convenient to carry almost anywhere. Pros: excellent value for the money, stable and responsive flight, advanced obstacle avoidance, portable, foldable design. If you want premium-looking features while staying within a budget, the Z908 Pro/Max is an outstanding choice. Number 1, the Lenovo Mini V666 drone, and it's my overall recommendation for the best drone under $100 in 2026. This drone stands out because it offers an impressive balance of performance, ease of use, and affordability. Its brushless motors provide smoother and quieter flight, while GPS assistance helps maintain stable positioning for better photos and videos. What really earns it the top spot is its versatility. Whether you're practicing your flying skills, recording outdoor adventures, or simply enjoying a weekend hobby, the Mini V666 delivers a feature set that's difficult to beat at this price point. Pros: outstanding value under $100, stable GPS-assisted flight, brushless motors for smoother performance, beginner-friendly controls, excellent combination of features and affordability. If you're searching for the best drone under $100 in 2026, the Lenovo Mini V666 is my top recommendation because it offers the best balance of flight performance, smart features, portability, and overall value. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones under $100 in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.